I just want to know what are the important health benefits of practicing yoga. Can you list out some of the very important benefits? Also, I want to know what is the, as taking a clue from what Kushalapa said just now, what are the implications on mental health by doing yoga? Specifically, on can it help controlling anger, or can it help in getting concentration? Also, I want to know whether everyone can do yoga, or only is there any limitations, or is there any special categories can do this too? Yes, Anna.
Yes. Now you ask me what are the health benefits. Now here, basically, yoga, it's a holistic development of your body. So not only one health benefit or 100 health benefit. From your hair to toe, every your cell is benefited. Every body part is being benefited. Usually, actually, we get diseases because of the imbalance of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, that is called Tridosha. In our body, there are three things, because of the imbalances of food that we take, all these diseases are coming. So now, like, what the diseases are like arthritis, spondylitis, frozen shoulder, vertigo, all these things come because of the toxins that are present in your body. Likewise, pitta diseases like acidity and burning of your stomach, all these also comes because of the imbalance of the food, or spicy food that we take, or hot food that we take. And cough diseases, they come because of the wrong food we take during the wrong seasons. So you need to have a balanced diet. In Sanskrit, it is said Mita book, Hita book, and Rutu book. So whenever you have to eat food which your body accepts, and limited or a balanced diet, you should always take and Rutu according to the seasons. Now what? How to control all these things? Now, for what diseases, you should not, take food like, spice. There's foods that are very much hot. So take it proper food. And in spicy diseases like pitta, don't take spicy food. And for cold, don't take cold cough related diseases. Don't take cold food. So, and now when you do yoga, lot of diseases like your asthma, bronchitis, and then diabetes, cholesterol, and intestinal diseases. All these diseases are cured. Now, who can do yoga? Yoga can be done from a 3-year-old child to until your death. You can always do yoga.
Yeah, thank you. That's something interesting. Can you put some light on whether it will help on controlling anger, or
Yes,
whether it will develop?
definitely. Definitely. Because, when you do yoga, it helps your concentration. When you concentrate and do something, you come out of your all those, negativity and anxiety. All these things, it doesn't come. You be in a calm, cool place. You are giving yourself the time. And here, you are not. When you do yoga, there is nobody beside you. You and yourself. Then nobody else. Definitely it will help you to do the anger management and concentration. Even right from the childhood, I urge my viewers, if you have a child, let the child do yoga right from the beginning. Because when you do, he will be physically fit always. Not only physically, mentally also he will be fit, and spiritually he will be balanced. His all things, physical, mental, and spiritual things will be balanced.
This is something which will bring smile on your face. See, I had contacted Kushalapa sir some time back, and I think it's almost a year now, close to a
Yes.
year. Right? and I wanted to join his course, but I couldn't do it today. I think I'm not the only one. There are so many people who want to do yoga, but they don't do it. I just want you to put some light on this. How people can overcome the thought process of delaying or procrastinating this and joining yoga. What can encourage them to join yoga?
See, first and foremost, yoga has to be done with the discipline. So you have to be disciplined, motivational, and determined. So the Maharshi Patanjali, he's a great yoga guru. He says, "Atha yoganu shasanam," means that you need to begin yoga with the discipline. Many they come, just for seeing the purpose. How is it a proper channel or not? But it is not like that. Yoga should be done with the discipline, and then automatically, after you do yoga, automatically you feel it every day. So, so many days you have given time for your family, for others, not for yourself. Right from the beginning, usually girls, women come to me. So how they come? They are so lethargic. They are so passive. They say nothing, no energy is left. Always nothing, nothing. Everywhere they pain. This pains, that pains. Then I make them understand why these pains come, because the entire life you have given to others. Here you have come to me, and from today your journey begins, because yoga is a self-realization of yourself. So I make them realize what they are. So I hope today, you're gonna, subscribe my institute now.
Okay, good. But can you tell us how to subscribe to your online yoga classes?
Yeah.
Yes.
There is, in Google, I have an account. So Olivera, Power Yoga classes. And in Facebook also I have, and in Twitter also I have. Everywhere it is Olivera Yoga class. Just you can, there is my number. You can just call on that number and subscribe.
Annette, this is for you. Well, you have trained several people to practice yoga. Tell me, what are those reasons which people prefer to come to you to learn yoga? Whether it's stress, or whether it's their health concern or fitness concern, or maybe because of the government took it as an international event, or what you feel they prefer to come to you?
Yeah, thank you, Canute. Very nice question. So I feel I have a personality. People are attracted to my personality, and even my place where I teach is a very calm and cool. It's right in front of a holy place. Sometimes, my brothers usually what they say, there is something in this place where you teach yoga. Then I wonder, then I ask them, oh, that means I don't possess anything. Only this place has some effect. So people are attracted to this place. Then he's just joking. So here, actually, I'm a very passionate person, very disciplined. And I never expect much. My sole intention is to the one who comes to my institute is going happily, carries a smile, and goes out of my institute. And here, many come with many diseases, many reports, piles of reports. They come, they tell me just to see the reports. Then I say, you are not sick, you are sick in your mind. Thing is, eradicate the negative thoughts in your mind that you are sick, that I cannot do anything. I have become bedridden. No, you have not become bedridden. You have come to the right place. Now here, leave aside all the reports and do however I teach you. And then they don't believe. But I told you I don't have much expectations. Karma yoga, what Mr. Gowdaji has told, Karma Yoga. Many a times the people come with, financial problems also. So I tell them, you need not pay me. I did not ask you to pay. Actually, this some kind of values are being inculcated in my mind by my parents. I remember when we were very small, as I already told you, my father is a farmer, had a coconut farm. And Madalu, that Madalu, I hope
Yes,
you know
yes.
coconut, that leaf.
Coconut
Ah,
leaves.
So we used to weave almost 30 to 50 leaves before going to school.
Yeah.
So sometimes, all my siblings used to be very much bored of doing the same kind of job every day before going to school. So we used to not view that properly. So one day, my papa came to me and he said, "What are you doing this?" So I said, "What, papa? See, you have not viewed this properly because what this plant now today you are doing this, but today I own this. Tomorrow it is being owned by someone else, and that is being used for a purpose. You are not fulfilling that purpose because you are not weaving it properly, and that will not go to a proper,
Use.
usage." Then I remembered, yeah, whatever he says is so correct. So that values, I always have. So whatever I do, I should give the best to my students. So I feel that I am giving the best. And there is a placebo effect many a times. I hope my viewers know this. It's in your mind. This is in your mind. There is nothing. Whatever the guru says, if the disciple believes, then the effect also comes to him or her the same way. If the guru says you don't have disease, and the disciple believes that I don't have disease, there won't be any disease. And this is the fact. This
Yes.
is the reality. And I have done in my class. So many bedriddens have come in my class. So many seniors who have, undergone so many diseases. And I told you, they can't even walk.
Yeah.
Within a month, they walk, rather they run, they dance, they jump. And apart from my class, I have other activities also. I take my students sometimes, outdoor. I teach them, since I'm a throw ball player, I teach them to play also, not only indoor. I take them to outdoor also. Then we have some cultural activities also. So altogether, I feel, I'm a package. I'm a full package, complete package. So
Okay.
people are
Okay.
attracted to me
That's
and they come.
That's wonderful. And what's your suggestion on yoga to our viewers so that many who are listening can join you or Kushalappa's yoga training? What do
Okay.
you suggest?
Yeah, very good question, Valerian. So I only say, युक्ताहार विहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवते दुःखाः. Means, take your food properly and do walking, whatever exercise properly. Earn your daily bread properly, sleep properly, and even Jagaruk Avastha. Sleeping should be, at least 7 to 8 hours, but the Jagaruk Avastha also should be the rest of the day, 1/3 or 2/3 of the day. So all these things, do it properly, then that person will never ever be in sadness. And you viewers, please don't hear and leave this. You have to do. I just want to tell you something here. I just started online yoga recently because of the COVID-19. So I thought, now, how can I reach my students? Because there is no eye to eye connection. I am always into eye to eye connection. Then I thought, okay, let me start with my family first. My family is settled everywhere, every part of the world. Some are in America, some are in London and India, all. So I told them, you are going to enroll here in my class for a month. I want to teach you. So even the smallest nephew of mine, Steve Zara, my nephew nieces, Steve Zara and Valen, all these smallest my nephews have joined my class. And these small children can do yoga. Why not my Bharat? Here,
Right.
we want to be a Swasth Bharat,
Yeah.
Yog Yukt Bharat, Rog Mukt Bharat. That can be done by you viewers. And leave aside your every work. Please concentrate on your health. There is no other thing in this world better than your health. So,
Yeah.
take
Very
care of
good.
your health.